What is going on, 3MAutoSpaLlc? Good morning and happy Tuesday 18th. It is 5:45, waiting for my wife and daughter. We have our account and we have a maintenance customer also today. Stay tuned for the ride along. Vámonos. Have arrived to our location. Let's go ahead and meet with the truck. We are here at one of our accounts. We have just completed 2 of these Isuzu work box trips. Now we are moving out to the exterior, doing a pre-soak wash, follow up by a rinse, undercarriage. It's a just push everything out, and then all done. Hope you guys enjoy and like, share, and subscribe. Until next.